Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're solving question 30. How do we find the top 10 buyers in both electrical and automotive product categories and return their total sales in each category? We'll work with two tables, orders and products, and I'll walk you through 3 different SQL methods to get the same result. Then we'll compare which one might be best in different scenarios. Here's the situation. Orders table contains customer number, product number, part number, unit retail, order date, shipped quantity. There is no primary key in this table. Products table contains product number, part number, SKU description, category, category number. Combination of product number and part number identify the product. Each row in orders is a sales record, and each row in products is product info. Our business goal is to find top 10 buyers in electrical, find top 10 buyers in automotive, keep only customers who appear in both lists, return customer number, category, and total sale sorted by category ascending and total sale descending. The total sale formula is sum of shipped quantity multiplied by unit retail. Let's see the solutions in SSMS. Method 1. Using separate CTEs. In the method, we break this into 3 steps using 3 common table expressions. CTE 1 determines top 10 electrical buyers by filter category equals electrical, group by customer and category, order by total sale desk and take top 10. CTE 2 determines top 10 automotive buyers. Same process but category equals automotive. CTE 3 combines both lists using union all. Finally, we filter CTE 3 to keep only customers appearing in both CTE 1 and CTE 2. That's done with where clause and 2 subqueries. Execute the query and we get 5 customers who are top 10 buyer in electrical and automotive. Pros of this method are very explicit. Each category's top 10 is calculated independently, and it is easy to debug or change per category. Cons are slightly repetitive code. 2 almost identical queries. Also, there are 2 passes over the orders table before combining. Method 2. Using intersect. Here, we reduce repetition by finding the common customers first. Step 1. Take the top 10 electrical buyers and top 10 automotive buyers as separate subqueries. Step 2. Use intersect to get customers who appear in both lists. Step 3. Join these customers back to orders and products to calculate total sales for each category. Intersect in the query gives us the intersection of customers directly, without writing to where clauses later. Execute the query and we get the same result. Pros of this query. Cleaner logic for identifying common customers. Only calculates totals once at the final stage. Cons. Still runs 2 separate top 10 subqueries first. Might be less readable for people not familiar with intersect. Method 3. Using window functions. This method is more compact and often more efficient. First common table expression CTE. Filter orders to only electrical or automotive. Group by customer and category summing total sale. Second common table expression CTE 1. Add a ranking column using window function rank, which assign ranks within each category. CTE 2 keeps only ranks less than or equal to 10. That's our top 10 per category. Final select keeps only customers appearing in both categories by grouping and checking having count, customer number, greater than 1. Run the query and we can get the same result. Pros of this query. Only 1 scan of orders after filtering categories. Easy to adjust ranking logic. Could change to dense underscore rank or top N. No repeated subqueries. Cons. Requires understanding of window functions. Ranking step can be heavier if dataset is huge but categories are many. Now let's compare the readability and efficiency of 3 methods. Method 1. It is great for clarity and step-by-step logic. Method 2. It is cleaner if you love set operations like intersect. Method 3. It is the most concise and often the most efficient. And that's it. 3 different SQL approaches to the same business problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.